as summer rains say goodbye. Elephant ears outside my window can't hear croaking frogs sing their song as summer rains say goodbye. Droplets glisten as they christen Colocasia's Christian name. Celebrate your labor, my jungle green friend. Lift up your hands and chant God's praise. What wonder you hold each morn, roots sturdy, stalk strong, uniting God's rich soil with his loving light. Elephant ears outside my window can't hear croaking frogs sing their summer song. Yet you honor them when their tune is through.